Welcome to Delicio channel. Did you know that you can make soy milk at home using only soybeans and water? It takes some time and effort, but they taste better and healthier than the store-bought ones, as they usually contain oil, sugar, and some more additives. In addition, if you make soy milk, you'll get okara or soy pulp as a nice bonus. I'll be making some videos using okara soon, so please subscribe to get the notifications, or if it's already there, you can check it after this video. So let's get started! We need 200 grams of dried soybeans. This will give us about 1 liter of soy milk. Wash 2 to 3 times gently. If you find any beans that's broken, bad color, or floating in water, get rid of them. When you finish washing them, drain the water and pour about 800 milliliters of water to soak it overnight. After soaking it more than 6 to 8 hours, the beans will look like these. Drain the water and transfer the beans into a blender or food processor. Add 500 milliliters of water and blend it until almost smooth. If your blender is small or doesn't have much power, you might have to do it in few batches. If you want to add some sweetener, you could add some dates or any kind of sweetener you like. Now, we can pour it into a pot. And add 500 to 700 milliliters of water, depending on your preference. I like adding 700 milliliters, as it will turn out still rich in flavor, creamy and easy to drink. Turn the heat on to medium heat and stir. It's so easy to get burned at the bottom, so it's very important to keep stirring all the time. Also, we need to skim off scum. As you keep heating, the smell changes from raw soybean smell into sweet milky smell. Turn the heat down to low as soon as it starts to boil, and simmer for about 10 minutes. Keep stirring and taking off scum. After 10 minutes, remove the pot from the heat. Now prepare a large bowl, strainer, and cloth or milk bag. Pour the mixture into cloth or milk bag. And strain it using spatula or chopsticks. As hard as you can. Please be careful not to burn your hands. What's left in the cloth are called okara, or soy pulp. Keep it in a container and you can make some healthy snacks or side dishes. Repeat the process until there is nothing left in the pot. This is how you can do it with chopsticks, but for me, it was easier using spatula. You can also do it like this, to let most of liquid go through before squeezing. You could also squeeze with your hands once they are cooled down. Once you've strained all the liquid, soy milk and okara are ready. I put all the soy milk into measuring jars, only to see how much soy milk I made. I made almost 1 liter of soy milk and 325 grams of okara. These changes depends on how much water you added and also how hard you squeezed when separating okara and soy milk. You can drink it warm or cold by itself, add it in your tea, make soy cappuccino, or use it in cooking. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and hit the like button if it was helpful or you liked it. Try this recipe and please let me know how it went in the comment section below. I'm so excited to hear from you guys. Bye bye!